Hello, 4th and 5th grade educators who support mathematics. I'm Mary Kemper, your math director, and I'm excited to share with you this video that includes a step-by-step guide to access your curriculum documents. We're making great improvements so that our math curriculum is more accessible to all students and all educators as well. When you access the CISD Curriculum and Instruction group in Schoology, you'll select Resources on the left, then Curriculum Documents, and Elementary. I'll use 4th grade as an example. Choose Mathematics, and you'll see a graphic organizing resources for you as you work with your team to design your learning experiences. These buttons provide access to resources that will be very helpful, such as the weekly scope and sequence document. This has been updated for 2021-2022 and includes the English Language Proficiency Standards integration and any adjustments based on feedback from this past school year. There's also access to the High Priority Learning Standards vertical alignment and clarification document, as well as a horizontal view across content areas. The last button in this list is to the Response to Intervention materials. For K-5 Math, the RTI resources are available for you to make considerations and decisions on the Universal Screener, SMART Goals, Progress Monitoring Tools, and Intervention resources. I want to draw your attention to the bottom of this graphic where you'll see access to the Google Docs unit documents. We'll focus on Unit 1, and this curriculum document is organized in the Understanding by Design backward design format, beginning with desired results, or what will the students learn and be able to do. I've streamlined and clarified content on this document for you for the school year. And for all grade levels, the unit considerations are now aligned to the weekly scope and sequence. There's explanation for you as the educator there in Stage 1. Stage 2 is about assessment and how the students will show if they really understand. Again, aligned to the weekly scope and sequence are some recommended assessment tasks and prerequisite skills and understandings and descriptions of pre-assessments you can use as an educator to determine what the students know. Stage 3 is the learning plan. There's a list of tools and manipulatives to consider and sample learning experiences, again, aligned to the weekly scope and sequence. I also want to draw your attention to this new section with Pages documents. Only Unit 1 is available now, but as the rest are created, they will be linked on this page. This is what it looks like. Unit 1 for Grade 4 is about place value. This list on the left shows what the students will learn about in this unit, and topics beyond the scope are listed on the right. Similar to the Google Doc, there are prerequisite skills and understandings and descriptions of pre-assessments provided for you. And then each page of this document aligns to the weekly scope and sequence. You can tap on these audio buttons to hear me speaking to you with suggestions and descriptions. There's recommended materials linked on each page of this document. And towards the end, you'll find recommendations for small group instruction, feedback, and how to access digital tools explicitly mentioned in this curriculum document. It's your choice as the educator and your team to decide if you choose to access the curriculum in the Google Docs format or the Pages format, but it's important to remember what we know high-quality Tier 1 math instruction looks like, and that it means it includes relevant, authentic, real math. It's accessible to all. It includes concrete, representational, and abstract models. There's intervention with prerequisite skills, and we incorporate the English Language Proficiency Standards of listening, speaking, reading, and writing about math.